Hi and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. Today we're on our way down to the storage yard to wash the caravan. And don't worry, it's not another one of those washing caravan videos. If you follow the channel, you will probably remember just before Christmas I got a portable jet wash or power wash or whatever you want to call it. So we're going to give it a go and we're going to find out how good or how terrible it actually is. Okay, we're here. So this is the box. Now it does come with two batteries and they're both charged. I've done them before we came. This is the actual gun. Battery on. Cloth, microfiber, and the hose, which I'll probably have to cut this off. No, that's alright. And my bag of bits. Now I've got some shampoo for the caravan, so I'm going to fill the bottle up and that will plug into the end here. Then afterwards we have these jets which will go in and we can rinse the caravan off. So I'll just finish off putting this together and we'll give it a go. Okay, so that's the setup. Let's give it a go. Okay, it doesn't work. There we go. Well, that's a bit better than I expected actually. So we're going to get on, clean the van up now, and once we're done with the shampoo I'm going to see how good it does for rinsing off with the actual jet attachment on the end. See you in a minute. Not quite sure what the difference is, but I'll put the white one in and we'll give it a go. Come on. There we go. Okay, well that's it. This little device has worked really well. The only thing is, when it came, I don't know if you can see, little dent there, which I thought was fine, but it means there's a little split and water was coming out there, so I'm gonna see if I can repair that because it's been a while since I've had it. One battery pack, done the entire caravan. I used my 40 litre water container, and we had to use 1 1/4 containers of water for the whole van, I think, so that wasn't too bad. Overall, it's not going to be a replacement for a proper jet wash, but ideal when you haven't got electric or you're at the storage yard or even on site. Just getting to site and wanting to wash the front of your van because it's muddy. Perfect little device this, and it was quite cheap at the time, I think. So yeah, I would recommend one of these. As you can see, hasn't done a bad job. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.